mimi nikasema nichukue nafasi hiyo niwaite wote hapa Kimilili RC Girls Comprehensive School, ndio wale wote ambao walikuwa wanahangaika, wanafunzi ambao wameketi hapa, tuwapatie pesa ya serikali waende shule, kwa sababu hivyo ndivyo tulichaguliwa kutufanye. Wale ambao pia wamekuja hapa na wanafunzi ambao walikuwa wameshindwa kwenda shule na walikuwa hawaja apply bursary, form zao zimechukuliwa, wanapewa bursary. Pia tunapopatia wale ambao walikuwa wameapply, pia wao pia tunawapatia siku ya leo waende shule. Kamati yangu bursary imenielekeza na mimi nimekubali. Wao wameniambia wale wanafunzi ambao walikuja hapa saa moja wakiwa na uniform ya shule, saa hii bado wameketi hapa, wenzao wakiwa darasani wanasoma. Kamati yangu ya bursary imeniambia ya kwamba sasa wale wote ambao wako hapa hauhitaji kuona mama yake sura, baba yake sura ndio ujue hajiwezi. Tayari hajiwezi. Kama angekuwa anajiweza angekuwa hapo shule. Kwa hivyo, by fact that they are not in school as we speak today, it is a testimony, it is a testament that their parents are poor, they are unable to pay for their school fees, and that is enough vetting that we have already done, and we are going to give them bursary to go to school. Wale wanafunzi ambao wanasoma shule ya day school, tunawapatia shilingi 5,000 kila mwanafunzi. Kuna wanafunzi wengine ambao wako shule ya boarding, hao tunawapatia shilingi 10,000 na zaidi, kwa sababu hawajiwezi zaidi. Wale ambao wazazi wamejaribu, wametupa kitu kwa shule, wanahangaika hapo kidogo, au tunawapatia 8,000 kuenda juu kulingana na uwezo yao ambayo kamati itaangalia. Na pesa hiyo tayari vile line imekuwa pale mrefu, fund manager na chairman na wengine sasa wako kwa ofisi wanaandika hizo checks sasa hivi. Kabla utoke hapa, lazima utoke hapa ukijua check imeandikwa, mtoto wako anasoma anapata pesa ngapi, uende nyumbani ukijua, umpeleke nyumbani aende asome, na muambie wakisoma waende wakuwe magistrate na judges, sababu kuna watu wananihangaisha wakuja wanisaidia kuwafunga.